Intentional Queen Tribes. It's Jineen, certified life coach and the host of Intentional Queen podcast. Hey boo, I started a new ebook and I'm just so happy to be an author. God is doing the things. So people ask me, how do you go to get it? You go to intentionalqueenjourney.com. On the homepage, as you scroll down, you will see right here, I have added Calling All Single Moms, the ebook that will upgrade your life on the single mom life. It is practical steps to embrace your new normal and level up to your best self in these streets. It is on sale now, $19.99. It's blessing people. You can click on the photo and boop, you will drop right into it right here. You can see here under my store, it shows you the picture of it. It's called Dear Diary Single Mom Ebook. When you click on it, it will show you also the other things and how to buy it. You also can click the preview and you can see here, it tells you some more about why am I excited about it and how it is blessing women near and far. You will also see here how to link back to the website. I always make sure to put about a refund policy and the digital project usage just in case. We just got to make sure everything is good. If this is something you really like, drop your girl a review because it makes the reach go farther. When you hit buy now, what happens then is that it takes you to here where you purchase it. It's under Stripe or under PayPal, okay? And if you've been around for a little bit, you know I got a promotion going on, so you will add your coupon code right here, type in your email address, okay? That lets the reach go further and you automatically get signed up to the newsletter. And when you get it, you will get the download of it. And here's a little sample of the PDF. When you get it, it tells you why I created this thing. It's a survival guide, motivational handbook. And what it talks about is trauma work, thought work, how to just overcome the obstacles that happen. When life happens, it just happens. And I just want to make sure that we can learn from each other because I believe iron sharpens iron. I have different chapters here. One you'll see about introduction, the stages of a butterfly. I'm always talking about that. And making sure that we know that sometimes you may come into your situation as a bruised caterpillar, and then you go into your cocoon and do the work, and then you come out as a beautiful butterfly. And truthfully, this book could be just for any person who is going through a healing phase, but God put it on my spirit as a fellow single mom that I needed to write this. Then I go deep into common struggles that we have as a single mom, being an emotionally available mom, like how to become the best versions of yourself, how to heal from past traumas, which is self-healing, how to seek wholeness for yourself, and building that queen tribe and village. And then I got a conclusion there where I wrap it up and I give you some exercises. So people say, well, let me see what it looks like. So here, what I did is you can go ahead and print it up from any place, Staples, or go ahead and print it up. But most people like things on their phones now. Here's my introduction where I go into why I did it, what I've been doing, what's my intention, and is this ebook really meant for you? And I think it is. I give you a disclaimer because I am not a therapist, but I can only tell you about what I've been through and just give you some tools and guides. And then I go deeper here, 74 pages. I talk about the stages of a butterfly. Like I told you, bruised caterpillar, cocoon, and breaking free into your beautiful butterfly that you are. The bruised caterpillar, I break things down as you can see here. I also talk about the common struggles for a single mom. The struggle is real in these streets, okay? And then I break down custody and legal battles. I break down time without your kids, imposter syndrome. I talk about being an emotionally available mom. Become the best versions of yourself. I break down more stuff, taking care of yourself, self-care. I talk about superwoman syndrome and work-life balance. Give yourself grace, be kind to yourself. Mental, spiritual balance, the glow up, boundaries and triggers, healthy eating and living habits, pampering and learning yourself. I talk about healing from past traumas. You are being planted for your next season That's right. When you go into the dirt and you do the work, you're breaking free. And what you're doing is just birthing something within you like a seed. Remember, good seeds versus bad seeds. And that comes from a book by James Allen. And he talks about the mind is like a garden, the seeds that you sow. And so now we're ripping out the bad ones and coming for good ones, okay? And I dig into how to have purpose in your pain, forgiveness, let broken pieces fall off, how to break soul ties. That's a big one. How to be meekness, which is humble in your storms. I talk about seeking wholeness for yourself. What does that mean? It means becoming whole and seeking restoration back to your complete self or version of yourself, which is a form of self-love. I break that down some more by giving you some self-reflection and how to unpack your baggage. I talk about building a queen tribe in a village, know your community, and develop quality relationships in your life. Trees and seasons of relationships, your intentional queen tribe, role modeling for your children. And then I break it down by level up your intentional queen to a better you, because we're trying to be better, not bitter out here in these streets. And just also know you're a giraffe out there in the streets. That comes from T.D. Jakes, and he talks about giraffes have vision and foresight, and they see and they can go far. And you never can explain to a turtle a giraffe vision. That comes from him. And so that's on my book list too. So just make sure you read that. And then we wrap it up with some exercises and some tools, and some more pages on that. So hopefully this bless you. Tell a friend that needs this. And I just thank you for helping me to just encourage others all around. Remember, it takes one, and you just got to build it one at a time, and you build and they will come. Amen. Hope you are blessed by this.